Welcome, super coders. Today we are going to help Iron Man to switch on his full power mode. Means, all his arc lights will glow together, just like when he's ready to blast off into the sky. Firstly, we will make Iron Man's all power ports ready. So, let us understand the connectivity of each port with Iron Man's arc, step by step. Step 1. Prepare my arc power ports. Means, to get Iron Man's all power ports ready. Ports are the connecting points. Pin mode 2 output means pin D2 is ready now. Pin mode 8 output means pin D8 is ready to radiate arc LED2. Pin mode 10 output means pin D10 is ready to radiate arc LED3. Pin mode 11 output means pin D11 is ready to radiate arc LED4. Pin mode 12 output means pin D12 is ready to radiate arc LED5. Pin mode 13 output means pin D13 is ready to radiate arc LED6. Now, let's brighten up all lights of Iron Man's arc together by switching on all his lights. Step 2. Full power mode, all lights on. Now, all chest and arc lights glow together super bright, like Iron Man is about to fly. digitalWrite 2 high, 2 on LED2, digitalWrite 8 high, 2 on LED1, digitalWrite 10 high, 2 on LED3, digitalWrite 11 high, 2 on LED4, digitalWrite 12 high, 2 on LED5, digitalWrite 13 high, 2 on LED6. This will make LED on for infinite time. Arc will glow fully. That's it. You just helped Iron Man turn on all his arc lights together. Amazing work, super coders. Keep shining bright and keep coding, because every superhero needs a smart engineer like you.